Hey friends, if you encounter the gray screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button and then select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to update the drivers. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, select advanced options, select option updates, install any optional updates that are available. Then return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. Finally, you can consider to restore the system. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar, go to recovery, click on open system restore, click on next. Choose a good restore point, click on next, select finish and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.